my Piztaglia.
Nostalgia.
This week I'm talking about a place called Shakey's Pizza Parlor. I realize it's more to, I think they're just in California and Washington, but also around the world. They're like in the Philippines, other countries I can't think of at the moment. But actually, I guess that is the US, but I had it in Hawaii the first time I had Shakey's. Anywho, when I lived in Hollywood, I did a commercial for them, my Shaky story, and it was about my pizza tattoo here on my arm. That's a pizza shark with pepperoni jalapenos. And at the shoot, we did some still photos, like randoms. You don't know, they don't tell you where it's going to end up. They just said, oh, years from now, you're going to see yourself, somewhere at a Shakey's. And anyway, the commercial basically paid in pizza. I had this little card for free pizza. And I was so broke at the time, whenever anybody would come over, I would treat them to pizza. They didn't know I was getting it free. It just seemed like a nice person. So at this particular, on this day, I was leaving Shakey's, and not to be a butthead, but I was like, ew, shrimp pizza, that looks gross. And the friend I was with was like, yeah, that's you on the poster. And I look up, and of course, I am the face of the shrimp Alfredo-esque pizza. And I actually had the pizza, and it's not bad, but going back on our seafood conversation, it's not what I would choose normally from them. They're more so known for like their mojo potatoes and bunch of lunch, which is a buffet, and it's amazing. But yeah, so I was like, when you'd go in the buffet, you'd see my stupid face there, and it was great. It was a great time of my life. But there was a commercial that played over and over in LA. Obviously, it's not going to come over here because there's no Shakey's, but it's very cute. I love Shakey's dearly for that. And yeah, I realize now, like, we've talked about those pins before, the Shakey's, I always forget. It's the salami. Yeah, there you go. Okay, salami sergeant. And I realized I should get the shrimp squad one now that I was like, of a shrimp pizza.
Right. You're the leader of the shrimp squad. What are you talking about?
I want all of these, but a retail value on Etsy, I believe, is like $15 a piece. And I'm like, what? They're really like, banking on my nostalgia for that one, which I will probably buy because, they are vintage and amazing. But I don't know. Growing up, we had an old Shakey's lamp from, there was a Shakey's Pizza Parlor in El Centro, and my papa went, closed down, and he went in and bought it, I think, for like $30 or so. And it's the coolest lamp. I keep meaning to bring it over to New York, but that costs a lot of money. So
yeah.
One day I'll have my Shakey's lamp up there. That poster you were showing, I remember I went in and I asked the manager, I was like, yo, can I get this? Like, eventually you're going to take it off the wall. I would love to collect it. And he's like, yeah, sure. It'll be gone in like 3 months. Give me a call. Yada, yada. I call him in 3 months, and like he had been fired. So it was terrible. I never got the poster. It probably got thrown in the trash. I'm sorry that guy lost his job, unless he did something to deserve it. But they ended up mailing me one of the little tabletop ones, which was cute too.
Cute.
And a good.
And you have a picture with it.
Yes,
so that's
of course. And the best is I had people from like college. This girl Grace in specific, she went to one in Chula Vista and took a picture by it. So it was very cute.
That's funny. Cheese Pizza's here. Hello, Cheese Pizza. Geraldine votes for pizza flavored beer.
Pizza soda, which I have yet to try because I wonder what that's like.
I would love to. I mean, I guess I would try it.
You should try it. It's not Boylan's, but it's something like that. Those cool like old school sodas. So there is a pizza one. Pizza beer, pizza and beer go perfectly together, but as long as it doesn't taste like straight up, like, I would rather have pizza beer versus pizza soda. I imagine their taste profile would be similar if they're both going for a pizza feel, Like,
yeah. But I feel like pizza soda. I feel like pizza soda would be on the sweeter side, whereas pizza beer is like, it's like hoppy and
Mhm.
it's already like savory ish.
Yeah,
I
I would
don't
drink
know. I
it. I love beer, so I would try it.
William says they consider making a pickle pizza again. Yes, pickle pizza is great. I do have a YouTube video on that.
Yes, I love pickled pizza. People are like saying it's sacrilegious, but I'll put pickles on anything. Like I said, I used to drink the juice. I think it's kind of
Pickles.
weird
Yeah.
to sell pickles outside. I know that sounds very weird, but nobody bought them because that's a weird thing to do, and that's why I ended up drinking all the pickle juice. So that's an insight into my weird childhood, me drinking pickle juice. Maybe I'll develop a pickle beer if that one's not very good.